guys, it's Phil from Aussie Garage. I'm here with Steve with his Ford van. Steve, tell us about your ride, mate.
Hi, it's a 98 Ford Falcon panel van, and brought it 8 years ago in pretty bad condition. It's an ex-police wagon.
Oh, awesome.
So I've got the papers to say that as well. So first stage was to get all the rust out, and that took me probably about a year and a half with my mate who welded everything for me while I did the cutting and grinding and cleaning and rust proofing.
All the fun stuff.
Which was great for me because I'm not a welder, but I was able to do a lot.
Yeah.
And then the next problem was with the XHs, I found that the fuel cap never sealed properly. If you're doing 80k corners or 100k corner and you had a full tank, it tended to leak. So I tended to chop the other one out and put a flap in it, so that made that fix up. Then while I was in there, I put an extended tank in there, one big tank in the back, got the old one out, one pump, and got a good little system working there.
Awesome.
I then decided to buy a ute and start wrecking that to get some parts for that. So like, instead of having this off the road any longer than I wanted to, like a lot of mates have vehicles off the road, I decided that I'd keep it on the road and wreck something the same, get it fixed up, powder coated. Like the diff, I took 3 months getting that all beautiful condition, powder coated, and then only a day to put it in with the new shocks and that. And now I'm on the front engine bay doing a bit of powder coating and things like that. I've done all the panel work inside, the installation. The trick was around the windows. I wish sometimes I had a windowless panel van. It would have been a lot easier, but hey, the challenge was there to be taken, and I think I've done a pretty good job.
Yeah, it's a beautiful looking van. I mean, I see that you got the a barra motor in it at the front.
Yes.
So is that just a straight out barra, or has it been worked?
No, nothing done to it as far as I know. Unless the police did something in the original days, I don't know if they put an extra little bit of fire in it. I'm not 100% sure, but I've kept it standard. I find it powerful enough. Chews through the gas well enough. So I'm pretty happy with it that way.
Absolutely.
I'm not interested in changing it any more than I need to.
Yeah, so from start to finish, how long did it take you to get to this?
8 years now. Just on 8 years it's taken me, and it's probably only been undrivable about a year of that in 2 patches. So I've done really well.
Awesome.
And I'm just starting another one, a Mark 1 Ford Escort panel van.
Oh, perfect.
So I'm cutting rust out of that one, and that's a big job, but it's a good challenge.
They're beautiful bloody vans as well, you know.
I've only seen one today here at the show, and again, I don't see many on the road.
Well, that's it. When it comes to the Ford panel vans and like even the Ford Escort, they are rare. There's plenty of Holdens, but the Ford, Chrysler, all that are rarer than him, Steve. So,
they are.
Yeah, absolutely.
I looked for 2 years for the Chrysler, and I couldn't find one. It was worth it. I've been looking for this Ford Escort for 1 year and finally found it. But it takes a long. I was also at the same time looking for an Angler panel van, but they're even rarer as well, mate. I tell you.
Absolutely.
So I've had a great joy in hunting it and looking at all my options. Now it's just getting down to work. This has got probably 100 little things to do on it, but it's not enough to keep me fully occupied, where the new panel van's going to keep me pretty well occupied.
Perfect.
So,
well, look, it's been good chatting with you. How are you finding the day here at the van title so far?
It's my first time down here. I've really had a cracker of a day. To meet other tragics like myself, loving panel vans, that's great. The rest of the show, I've walked around. There's so many cars here. I wish I had a garage as big as this paddock, really. You know, I could have every one of them just about, you know what I mean? No, great day, great organisation. I'm coming back next year, and I'm probably even looking at volunteering a little bit of time as well with you guys, okay?
No, sounds great.
It's such a good day. I've really enjoyed this. Thanks, Phil.
Awesome. Well, thanks for talking to us, Steve, and appreciate it.
Anytime.
Awesome.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Bye.